Good morning. We are going to present on case study, managing human resource. Case study, Kalyani Electronics Limited. Case facts, Kalyani Electronics Corporation Limited is recently diversified its activities and start producing computers. It has received several applications for the post of commercial manager, computer division. It could not decide upon the suitability of the candidate to the position, but did find that Mr. Prakash is more qualified for the position than other candidates. The corporation has created a new post below the cadre of general manager, that is joint general manager, and asked Mr. Prakash to join the corporation as joint general manager. Mr. Prakash agreed to it, viewing that he will be considered for general manager's position based on his performance. Mr. Anand, the deputy general manager of the corporation and one of the candidates for general managers. Next slide continued by Sweta.
Thank you, Kiran. And Mr. Anand wanted to show his performance record to the management at the next appraisal meeting. Then management of the corporate asked Mr. Sastry, general manager of television division, to be the general manager in charge of computer division for some time. And then the Sastry wanted to switch over to computer division in view of the perspective and prestige and recognized of the position among the top management of the corporate. And then the performance of the deputy general manager, joint general manager and general manager has to be appraisal by the same group of the subordinate. And then the Mr. Sastry and Mr. Ananda were competing with each other in convincing their subordinate their subordinates about their performance, and used all sorts of techniques for pleasing them, like promising them a wage hike, transfer to be to the job of their interest, and promote, etc. Next, continue by the Kavita.
Thank you, Shweta. They created the several groups among the employees, like Pro Anand groups, Pro Shastri's group, Anti Prakash and Shastri group, Anti Anand and Prakash group. Mr. Prakash has been quite work conscious, and the top management found his performance under such a political atmosphere to be satisfactory. Prakash pleasing manners, the way and the way of maintaining the human relations with a different level of employees did. However, this prevent the emergency of an anti-Prakash wave in the company. There is a no stronger pro-Prakash group. Management administrated the performance appraisal techniques, and the subordinates appraised the performance of these all the three managers. In the end, surprisingly, the workers assigned the following scores: Prakash 560 points, Shastri 420 points, and Anand 260 points. Next, continue by the Saubhagya.
First question is, how did you evaluate the workers' appraisal in this case? Answer is, as we saw in the facts that Prakash had scored high than everyone, because he was gentle person with his high leadership qualities. He could handle the things efficiently, and he always recognized the people's work. He is a good human, as he did not fight with the other internal employees. He never promised any employees nor put any negative feelings on anyone, and reminded as a good person with other employees. Anand and Shastri got less points than the Prakash because they were busy in manipulating the employees to rate them high scores. So their actual work was left behind and showed up their negative side by framing anti-Prakash groups within the organization just to humiliate Prakash and prove their importance. Okay. Next slide will be continued by Savita.
Thank you, Saubhagya. Second one question. Do you suggest any technique to avoid politics creeping into the process of performance appraisal by subordinates? Or do you suggest the measures of dispensing with such appraisal systems? Answer. We choose 360-degree method in this situation. An all-round feedback helps in improving the consistency in the working pattern of an organization. The employees are more concerned regarding how others perceive them. Next, this motivates them to perform consistently towards achieving the organizational goal, as this will help them achieve their personal goal as well, which will further lead to individual growth. Thus, the employee will feel more content with their performance. 360-degree feedback allows employees to gain a more true understanding of their impact on people they interact with every day. Thank you.